How to sign up for Domino's Pizza email and text offers. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail and log into your account. Here, search for the Domino's Pizza mail. After you click on Domino's Pizza mail, you'll find subscribe option instead of unsubscribe. Simply click on subscribe, and after you subscribe, you will find Domino's Pizza email and text offers as they send. In my case, I don't have one, so there is no Domino's mail, but you can simply click on the subscribe. Or if you're having issue, what you can do is go to Domino's feedback form, and then you can simply enter your name, email address, and phone number. Then you can type in you want email and text offers and submit. They'll see and get back to you. This is how to sign up for Domino's Pizza email and text offers. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.